Welcome to this easy and quick tutorial on how to sew a romper. This versatile piece can be styled with any tops, making it a wardrobe essential. Let's get started. Before we begin, gather your supplies. You'll need your pattern, fabric, interfacing, rings, and matching thread. Once you've got everything, let's dive into the first step. Start by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. Be sure to follow the lines carefully for an accurate fit. Next, trace all the markings onto your fabric. These will guide you during assembly, making the process smoother. Now, align the pocket pattern on the fabric. Follow the seam line, fold, and press to form the seam. Repeat this step for the other pocket. Afterward, top stitch along the folded seam. Do this for both pockets. Align the pockets onto the left and right front pieces. And use a straight stitch to attach them. Serge the front pieces together and do the same with the back pieces. Once joined, press the seams for a neat finish. Serge the side seams to join the front and back, then serge the crotch seam. Don't forget to press the seams after sewing. First, attach the interfacing to the front-facing collar piece and press it to fuse the two layers together. Align the collar piece on the front of the romper. Measure the seam allowance and mark it. Use a straight stitch to attach the collar then trim the edges. Turn the collar inside out. Pull out the corners for a clean finish and fold the collar seam inward. Press and top stitch along the collar seam for added security. Take the strap pieces and fold them in half. Sew a straight stitch along the edge to join the straps. Trim off any excess fabric, then turn the straps inside out. Use tweezers or a screwdriver to help with this. Repeat for the other strap. And press both straps for a neat finish. Now align the straps on the back of the romper. Use a straight stitch to attach them. Serge the seam where they join. Fold the seam flat. And top stitch to secure the straps in place. Double fold the armhole seam inward, then top stitch along the edge. Repeat the same steps for the other armhole. And press both armholes to finish. Double fold the pant hems and use a straight stitch to secure them. Repeat this step for the other pant leg. Align the label on the back of the romper and stitch it in place. First, trace the markings for the strap holes on the front of the romper. Trim the holes carefully. Then insert the rings. Use screws to securely attach the rings in place. Once the rings are attached, insert the straps through them. Loop the straps, tie a knot to secure the length, and repeat this process for the other strap. And that's it. Your romper is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video.